Iranian missile technology has significantly advanced over the past 2 decades, making it one of the most robust missile programs in the Middle East. Here's a fully explained breakdown of Iran's missile technology. 1. Historical development. Iran's missile program began during the 1980–1988 Iran-Iraq War. Lacking air superiority and modern aircraft, Iran turned to ballistic missiles to retaliate against Iraqi cities. The initial systems were Soviet-made Scud B missiles, imported from Libya, North Korea, and later reverse-engineered domestically. Over time, Iran developed indigenous designs, enhancing range, accuracy, and payload. 2. Key types of Iranian missiles. A. Short-range ballistic missiles (SRBMs). These are the backbone of Iran's tactical missile force. Fateh 110-313. Solid fuel, road mobile SRBMs with improved accuracy using GPS and inertial navigation. Range, 300 to 500 km. Zolfaghar, an advanced Fateh variant with a 700 km range and precision strike capability. Desfal, successor to Zolfaghar, with a range of up to 1,000 km. B. Medium-range ballistic missiles (MRBMs). These give Iran regional strike capability. Shahab 3. Based on North Korea's Nodong-1, range, approximately 1,300 km. Used as the basis for many variants. Ghadar 110, an improved Shahab 3 with better accuracy and reduced launch prep time, range, 1,600–2,000 km. Emad, first Iranian MRBM with precision guidance and maneuverable re-entry vehicle, MARF range, 1,700 km. Kibar Khorramshahr series large MRBMs with powerful payloads, up to 1,500 kg, range up to 2,000 km. Uses liquid fuel. C. Cruise missiles. These are harder to intercept due to low-altitude flight. Sumar, based on the Russian Kh-55, smuggled from Ukraine. Range estimated at 2,000–2,500 km. Havaze, a long-range cruise missile with precision targeting, part of Iran's cruise missile deterrence. 3. Solid versus liquid fuel. Iran has rapidly transitioned from liquid-fueled missiles older, slower to launch to solid fuel systems quick launch, more survivable. This shift enhances Iran's second strike capabilities and readiness in a conflict. 4. Missile launch platforms. Iran employs a variety of mobile launchers. Transporter erector launchers (TELs) for road mobility. Underground missile bases and tunnels, dubbed missile cities. Sea-based platforms limited but expanding, such as Abu Mahdi Naval Cruise Missile. Rail-based and containerized missiles, increasing concealment and surprise potential. 5. Drone integration in missiles. Iran has begun integrating missiles with long-range drones such as the Shahed 136, Mohajer 6, and Qarar UAVs. These drones often carry guided bombs or act as loitering munitions kamikaze drones. 6. Missile defense penetration tactics. Iranian missiles now include features to defeat missile defenses. MARF maneuverable re-entry vehicles to evade interceptors. Cluster warheads to overwhelm point defenses. Decoys and penetration aids to confuse radar systems. 7. Strategic objectives. Iran's missile technology serves several core goals. Deterrence against Israel and U.S. bases in the region. Projection of power across the Persian Gulf, Iraq, Syria, and Lebanon via Hezbollah. Asymmetric warfare tool, especially when facing superior air forces. Export to proxy forces, e.g., Hezbollah, Houthis e.g., Burkan missiles in Yemen. 8. International response. U.S. and EU sanctions target Iran's missile-related entities. UN Resolution 2231 post-JCPOA calls on Iran to stop developing nuclear-capable missiles, but Iran argues its missiles are conventional. Israeli, Gulf Arab, and Western concerns have spurred missile defense investments Iron Dome, THAAD, Patriot systems, etc. Conclusion. Iran's missile arsenal is now one of the most advanced in the region, both in volume and technological sophistication. Despite sanctions and international isolation, Iran has created a diverse and survivable missile force capable of deterring regional adversaries and projecting influence well beyond its borders. If you want a fictional future scenario or a comparison with another country's missile force, e.g., Israel or India, I can include that as well.